Hey Divas, Kaden here, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be installing this wig that I got from Arabella here. Now this wig is pre-everything, so it's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and also just ready to install. So I'm just gonna go ahead, install it, and show you guys how it looks. First I'm gonna go ahead, open the package. So this is it. I'm gonna show you all the goodies that comes in it. So I'm gonna go ahead, open it. So these are the goodies that come with it. It's in a separate bag inside the package. So I got 2 HD wig caps, a edge brush, I got a melting band, I also got some lashes. Lastly, I got a clip. I don't know, you guys cannot really see it, but I got this clip. Now it's time for the big reveal, which is this pre-everything wig that is in this package. So this is the wig. It comes in this package. It is a 14-inch jerry curly. Now this is the wig straight out the package. As I said, it's 14 inches and it is a jerry curly. It comes with a removable band, so you can go ahead. So it's an adjustable band. You can use it to adjust the wig. And this is how the lace is looking. So look at that. There's nothing on the lace. So it's a 6x6x2. So this is how the lace construction is, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it and show you guys how easy it is. Now this is it, and look at it. This is in real time. You can see how it melted. I did not add anything to it. I didn't style it or anything yet, but look at this. It just melted straight into my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead, wet the wig up, and do a little styling. First things first, I'm gonna go in and tint my lace. Now I'll be using a shade of makeup that is darker than my skin tone to ensure that it blends smoothly in the skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead, apply it all over the lace. I'm using makeup because this is a glueless unit. I will be taking it off, so I don't have to worry about makeup building up or bacteria. So I'm gonna go ahead, apply the wig, and look at how flawless it's gonna blend in. I'm gonna go ahead, adjust the straps in the back to ensure that it is comfortable on my head, and as you can see, it is a center part. So I'm gonna go ahead, line it up, and ensure that it is in the right position. Then I'm gonna go in and apply makeup around the lace where it did not blend as well as I wanted it to. Now you can tell me that this isn't the wig for the summer. Now this is for all my girlies who wants to wear a wig but doesn't know how to do an install. This doesn't require any glue or nothing. All you have to do is just take it out the package, put it on, or just add a little makeup on the lace to ensure that it blends smoothly. After I loosen the curls, I'm going to go in with a wax stick, and I'm going to use that to also frame the front of the wig. After applying the wax stick everywhere I wanted it, I'm going to go in with a hot comb, and it is really hot. I'm going to use that to frame the front of the wig and also flatten the top. So you don't want a lumpy and bumpy wig. You want your wig to lay super flat. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And look at how beautiful this unit is when I combed it out. I should have left it like this, but because I wanted you guys to see like a wet look, I'm gonna go ahead, saturate it with some mixture of conditioner and water in a spray bottle, comb it through with a detangler brush, and show you how like well defined the curls are. After I'm done spraying down the unit with my little concoction, I'm going to go ahead and frame the face by cutting some layers in the front. I'm going to be doing the two sides, so it's going to look like two side bangs, and it came out so beautiful. After I'm done cutting the bangs, I'm going to go in with some Nairobi foaming mousse. Now this is not going to make the wig crunchy, it's just going to make the curls look so juicy. It's going to make the curls stay in place. And then I'm going to go in with some Biosilk and add it over the top to make it look shiny. I don't want the wig to look dull, I want it to look nice and shiny. So this is how the unit looked when it is wet, and I'm gonna go in with a blow dryer and I'm gonna dry it a little bit so it gets that poofy look. And this is it. I went in with some makeup and I sharpened the part, and I'm gonna show you that this is totally glueless. I can run something under it, I can lift it up, put it back, and look how flawless it blends. And as you can see, I was feeling myself because I went ahead and picked up my glasses. I tried it on and it looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and become a part of the Saunders family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.